You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello again, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and guess what we have again? We have another Cricut new mystery box. And the name of this box is Pastel Dreams Joy Mystery Box. So this is a joy themed mystery box with lots of stuff for the joy, but even if you don't have a joy, you can use almost everything in the box also. And if you've seen my reveal of the last mystery box, that was the Wild Side mystery box, we did get a new Cricut Cutie, and we got him in this box also. So this is the Latte Cutie. Oh my gosh, he's a cutachino latte. That's not his name. He's not a cutachino. A cutichino. But he's a latte. I say he's like a taupe color. Okay, and in here we're getting this is one of the things in here is this box. So this box is full of all sorts of stuff to make cards. Look. A lot of cards. So let's go ahead and get into that. And inside this box, besides those cards, before I get into all those card packs, we are getting the Cricut Joy starter tool set. And I love the color of this because look at I love the teal on these. So you're getting a weeder, a spatula, and a scraper. And to make all those cards, we are getting the Cricut Joy card mat. So you can go ahead and put your insert cards on here. You tuck them in under the sticky side, and then it cuts out your fronts, and then you put your inserts on. You put your inserts in. Definitely in. Never enough black pens. We are getting a 3-pack. Now these are the Cricut Joy, and these are the 0.3 pens. So you're getting 3 black ones of that. First with the cards, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the R10 cards and show you all of those packs. And R10 size is 3.5 by 4.9 inches. First up, I love the holographic. We are getting the gray silver holographic in that R10 size. So you're gonna get 15 cards in here, 15 inserts, and then 15 envelopes. So in this, you're gonna have 15 of the gray cards, 15 of the beautiful silver holographic, and then 15 white envelopes. Now, all the envelopes and all the packs will always be white, but you always will get the number of envelopes for the cards. And next up in the R10 size is the macaroon sampler. And here we're gonna get 4 different colors actually. We're gonna get 3 of the lavender cards, then we're gonna get 4 of the whispering blue, which is like this beautiful soft green, 4 powder blue, and then 4 of the soft tulip. And the inserts for those is this gunmetal bronze. And then again, you'll get the envelopes also. Also, R10 is the Sensei. Neither one sounds right. The Sensei. You know, like karate master, Sensei sampler. Oh man. And in here, we're going to get 3 different cards. So we have 5 more of the powder blue, 5 tulip, and then 5 of the beautiful dark twilight color, which is like a dark blue. And for the inserts for those, we're actually getting 3 different colors. So we have 5 mustard, 5 of my favorite, the party pink, and then 5 of the khaki. Now, remember, any of these cards that are the same size, you can go ahead and use inserts from one box with a different pack. Say you want to use the whispering blue or the lavender here, but you really want a holographic insert, well then you can grab the holographic insert from this pack and then put it in that card. So any that are the same size, you can go ahead and mix and match to create your own kind of like customized insert card. Our next cards are going to be R20 size, so those are the 4.25 by 5.5 inch. And we're actually getting the same sets, but in the larger size. So you're going to get the macaroon sampler, the Sensei, we're not going to keep saying that one, and the gray silver holographic one too. So exact same card sets I just showed you all the colors for, but in the R20 size. Difference being R20 size, you get 12 in each instead of the 15. And we are also getting them in R30 size. So you're getting each of those card packs in R10, R20, R30. Now, whoa! R30 is the biggest ones at 4.5 by 6.25 inches. So that is 9 card packs. Oh, and there's 12 each in those card packs also. If you add all that together, that is 117 cards to make. So that is like a whole card stash on its own. Now that was everything in the Joy card mat and pen bundle, but also in the mystery box, you're getting 10 feet of the Cricut vinyl in gold. And this is the smart vinyl, so you can use this matless on a Joy, but if you don't have a Joy, you can go ahead and just throw it on a mat and then cut it on whatever Cricut machine you're using. And this is permanent. And we're also getting some smart label, Joy Smart Writable Vinyl, and this is in the beautiful gold. Now let me show you the pretty gold. Now again, it's Joy, so it's smartless, but if you don't have a Joy, just throw it on a mat, and then you can go ahead and look how pretty this is. You can see my recording reflection, but look how pretty that is. And unlike other vinyl, when you use this, you won't use a transfer tape. So you'll go ahead and cut it and then you'll just peel it off and then stick it on whatever you like. Which thing can be really pretty to take and make like a label for a candle. Maybe you're giving mom a Mother's Day gift and you want to personalize it. You can go ahead and cut your own like customizable, writable vinyl and put it on that. So that is now everything that is in Cricut's Pastel Dreams Joy mystery box. And because we got our cutie, the mystery box is available to Cricut Access members only. So you do have to be access to purchase. And as always, we always have our links in our video description below. So if you just read the description and then hit more, you can go ahead and get to those links, and our links will take you to, they'll take you to purchase the box. If you're not a member, there's links to join Access. And then the best part in the links is our links to our giveaways. So right now we have our $100 Cricut giveaway going on that you can go ahead and enter. And then one member of our Cricut Design Space Facebook group is going to win that. And just 2 days left. 2 days left to enter the Cricut story. So Cricut is celebrating 20 years of Cricut, which is crazy to think. But so in our group, we're going to have 3 members that are going to win a prize bundle. How did you start Cricketing? What does Cricut mean to you? So my Cricut story began, I'm trying to think how many years ago, but I know my kids were 5 and 6. I want to say my kids were 5 and 6. Kids are 20 and 21 now. And I went to Melody's house, my sister Melody, and we were making the kids Valentine's Day boxes. I remember Connor did a pirate themed one, and Ducky did a really cool one. It had koalas and hearts, and they were just ecstatic, especially my daughter. She just thought this was like, she had the coolest Valentine's Day box of everyone, you know. And Cricut was newer then. We were using cartridges then too, so you couldn't just choose anything. You had to have these cartridges with these specific images. But that was the first time I used the Cricut. And then I was an assistant Girl Scout leader, and I was like, Melody, this would be so cool. I wanted the girls for Christmas to make Christmas cards, and I thought how fun if we could use the Cricut, cut them out a whole bunch of cards. We cut a whole bunch of pieces for snowmen, penguins. We assembled those too because there wouldn't be time for them to assemble everything, but we had all these options that they could go ahead and pick different snowflakes, different things, and then they assembled the card. And Melody actually came to the meeting for that. And then from then it went into design, and I learned about vinyl on the walls, and I was cutting vinyl and words on my walls, and it just snowballed from there. It like opened a whole world. Oh, shirts. Oh, now I need to make shirts. Oh, we can make shirts. Let's make shirts. And so many things. But Cricut just wants to hear, what is your story? So in our group, you'll just share a project that you made with your Cricut, tell a little bit about your Cricut story, and then use the hashtag #MyCricutStory. Now, different groups have this going on, and ours is in our Cricut Design Space Facebook group, which in those links, I'll go ahead and put a link to that. But there's 2 more days to enter that, and there's hardly any entries. So please go in the group, share, how did you get started, and what does Cricut mean to you? I love that my first Cricut memories are with Melody. And can I also say it's amazing to see how much Cricut has evolved in those years. Like, no more cartridges. We have over 1 million images now just in Design Space that we can get. I'm looking at the wall here, and I actually have words on my wall here that I did. We moved in here 14 years ago, and I put these on the wall, and it says, never forget where you came from. And we have the street signs of where I grew up and my husband grew up. And I just looking at that, I can tell you how far Cricut came, because I remember those letters, and they're not connected. Like, none of them are cursive because it was cartridges, right? So you couldn't choose a written word. You could do individual letters. But I think, man, how much easier is it now when you can do a scripted word and put it on in one? But every time I look at that, I'm just reminded actually of how far Cricut has came. So make sure you guys enter, because if you don't enter, you can't win. And who doesn't want to win free stuff? Thank you guys for watching. If you could, like, comment, subscribe. And here I am closing it out, and I still haven't mentioned the price of the box. Box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but that's before your Access discount. And hope you all have a wonderfully fantastic, craftastic rest of your week. And so until next time, happy crafting, crafty friends, and we will see you guys next time.